Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have my advent calendars, and I'm going to start with the chocolate calendar because that's the easiest to get done and get out of the way. And here's day 9 down here. It's day 9, in case I didn't say that. Push it in, pull it out there. Okay, let's see. I think they're starting to, this is a cappuccino truffle. I think they're starting to repeat. I'm not sure. I think I might not continue this calendar. I keep saying that, but I keep doing it. Anyway, okay, then we have the cat toys. The boys, I don't know where they're at. I haven't see them lately. So, and I'm sorry, I'm shaking the calendar. This is the cat calendar. It's been a lot of fun so far. Some things they like, some things they don't like. Here is number 9 up here. So let me pop that open. Oops. Ooh, this is cool. This is just like a big giant pom-pom. I can't tell if there's catnip on there, y'all. I can't tell, but that looks like a lot of fun. It's really dense and thick. Smudge blue, a nice Christmas green. I love that. And then we have the 25 Days of Beauty from Macy's that Cece and Laura gave to me. Cece Straw Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. I'll have them in the description. Please go see them. Whenever I mention a channel, I always have them in the description. This has been a really great calendar, y'all. I've been enjoying it. And we are looking for day 9. Okay, here it is. Down here is day 9. And okay, Anastasia of Beverly Hills. And once I get them open, y'all, I have a little trouble getting them out. So I'm gonna use my tweezer to help me. There we go. See, they're in there nice and tight, which is good. So they don't get damaged in shipping or anything. So let's see, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Lash. What does that say? Lash Brag? It's interesting because it's a deluxe sample size. Let's see what it looks pretty. Oh, it's adorable, y'all. Look at that. It is going to be, it's so pretty. Anastasia Beverly. It's just so pretty. Okay. And let me read what the box says. It's very, tiny lettering. So let's see what it is. I believe it's Extreme Volume Mascara. Bragging rights included. Achieve maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with this jet black ultra volumizing mascara. Fantastic. I'm excited to try it. I don't know that I've ever had an Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, so I'm delighted to try that. Thank you so much to Macy's and to Cece and Laura, and thank y'all for stopping by to see my advent calendars. Y'all take care. Have a good day. Count your blessings.